Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the console is updated and the controller cable is intact. This avoids recognition errors. Plug the controller into the dock's USB port or attach a USB-C adapter for handheld play. Once done, power on the switch. You want the Joy-Con indicator to stop flashing because steady lights mean the console recognizes the device. Make sure input settings allow wired controllers in system settings, and if prompted, choose Pro Controller Configuration for correct mapping. Once connected, you should configure how the controller behaves. Go to Controllers and Sensors to toggle vibration, and then run Calibrate control sticks to fix drift. This corrects subtle input issues. If buttons are swapped, use Change Button Mapping to assign functions. This ensures accessibility and consistent gameplay. Make sure to save profiles for multiplayer, because reassigning per user prevents conflicts. Finally, test in a simple game or the home menu to confirm inputs register as expected. You finish by validating the experience. Launch a game and check rumble, analog control, and button latency. If the controller isn't detected, first swap USB ports or cables, then reboot the console. Simple resets often clear communication faults. If problems persist, update the controller firmware if available, or test the controller on a second switch to isolate whether the fault is the cable, controller, or console. One key tip: dusty contacts can block detection, so clean ports gently and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.